I'm gonna make this portrait with some Pastel soft palette knife, and here's my reference. I'm going to make like a gestural portrait, but it's going to be fading into smoke or something along those lines. Just trying to get these angles correct here. The placement of everything is very important to make your drawing look not weird, you know? Let's see. Got these angles, got this angle here. This is the most boring part of the drawing in my opinion, but it's very important. All right. Boom. There we go. What are you guys doing out there? Okay, sorry. It's my wife and my friend working in the studio, the other room in the studio. Just trying to get a little bit more accurate with these shapes here. This note should come out a little bit more that way. Just applying this material pretty heavily, and now I can just come in with this eraser and start to kind of remove where these things need to be lightened up. Should come this way, and then this should be bright here, and then there we go. So let's see. There, that looks a little bit more accurate. Gonna tone it a little bit more of skin tone. Not being too specific with my mark making, but I'm trying to be a bit accurate. Not drawing what I imagine, but drawing what I see rather. You can put in some of the highlights here and there. This looks like it needs to be a little darker right up there. There we go. Nice, and those too pointy there. Okay. Get these angles for the chin, so we can start making. If that's correct, we can start kind of working on the smoke. I'm going to erase this out just a little bit, so we have a little more space to work with. I'm going to start to pull this skin tone out a little bit, and then just make some like twisty marks like that. And most of them are going to be lighter, just like hints. I try to like press hard and then softly and then hard again and then twist at different angles, attack it at different angles, so we get different weights and different darknesses with the piece. Trying to imitate the look of smoke. If you want, you could pull up some images of smoke and then try to replicate the patterns and the details that it makes. I could do that and be way more accurate with the making of the smoke, but at this point I just want to make something that looks pretty cool, and I've done smoke quite a few times and I've got a pretty good idea of what it starts to look like. I want to darken it up just a little bit so that it It looks like it's coming from there. I like to make it look as if the smoke is coming towards the backside of the face. I think it makes it look a little bit more active and almost like if it's in motion. Just a little more details in the face. I know that's important. There we go. Maybe a couple more details. I haven't done the teeth, but maybe I can add just a hint of that and something like that. All right, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. Maybe a little bit more up here. Just a little bit of darkness up here to hint at the hair. There we go. That looks better. Thanks for watching, guys.